Good morning, children. Welcome to the another video of Standard 3 poem Carousel by Rebecca Kai Dotlich. Children, this poem is about a carousel and the ponies in it. The speaker describes them galloping around to music with their riders seated on their backs. And also, this poem describes a carousel which has thin golden poles on which the wooden horses glide up and down. Now, children, let's learn in details. Poem Carousel by Rebecca Kai Dotlich. Rebecca Kai Dotlich is an American writer who writes poetry for children. This poem is about a carousel and the ponies in it. The speaker describes them galloping around to music with their riders seated on their backs. Children, before we start this poem, I would like to discuss some new words which will help you understand this poem better. First one, carousel. It means a merry-go-round at a fair. Next, poles. A long thin piece of wood or metal used to hold something up. Next, gliding. It means moving easily and smoothly. Gliding means moving easily and smoothly. Next, a kingdom of horses. It means full of various kinds of horses. Next, medley means variety and or mixture. Next, parade means march. Next, reins, long thin straps of strong material like leather that helps in directing and controlling a horse. Next, slick. Slick means smooth and shiny. Next, lavender, a light purple color. Next, ebony, a type of dark wood used to make furniture. Next, whirling, moving around in circles. Now, children, poem Carousel by Rebecca Kai Dotlich. In this poem, we will come to know carousel. This poem describes a carousel which has thin golden poles on which what happened, children? The wooden horses glide up and down. Horses with what names, children? Horses with names such as Jumper Brown Beauty, Dark Thunder, and Sir Snow circle around the where, children? The carousel, and it looks as if they are parading in a row. The riders are formally seated where, children? Yes, on their saddles, and they hold onto the soft leather. What is called, children? Yes, reins. While the horses circle along the carousel, the riders ride on horses that are as brown as chestnuts. And what, children? As and shiny as a charcoal. And what children? As white as the Arctic snow, and the as glossy as silver. They galloping all day and night and move rhythmically along the carousel. The spinning is almost magical as the riders feel that they are in a dream, seated in lavender saddles on horse with ebony tails. What children? With ebony tails. The riders sail. Then what happens, children? The riders sail through as the horses move around in circles to the rhythmic and melodious music of the carousel. Then what happened, children? The riders are thrilled and spellbound as the horses merely go around in a rhythmic manner on a moonlight. The beauty of the moonlight, the melody of music, and the rhythmic movements of the horses make the riders, what children? Feel that the ride is almost magical. This children poem Carousel by Rebecca Kite-Dotlich. Watch this video and please try to understand this poem. Thank you.